To get started, you'll need two values from your branch dashboard, your branch key, and your custom link domain. Want help setting up your branch dashboard? Check out our full deep linking tutorial where we walk through the entire process. Remember all the manual native config we did in the last video? Now, when you install this library, those snippets are automatically added to your native config files. You'll see library variables like branch key and branch host URL pre-injected where needed. And when your app is generated, those get replaced with your actual values. To complete setup, go to your main.dart file and under the Final Actions tab, add the init branch custom action. This initializes the branch SDK for your app. Handling incoming deep links is also easy. Go to your entry page or logged in page and ensure the first action is handle branch deep link. This lets you control what happens when a link opens your app. Want to show a bottom sheet when the page value is equal to paywall? Or navigate to a specific screen based on link data? It's all possible with the action callback and helper functions. The library also includes a generate link action. Let's say your user wants to share this image with their friends. Using the generate link action from the branch deep linking library, we generate a short smart link that contains the page route along with optional metadata like title and preview. For users who receive this link, they can tap on the link which opens the app, and this is where the handle branch deep link kicks in again and uses the link's data to route the user straight back to the original content, right to that image details page. Some helpful functions include create link properties to attach social metadata to your link, is targeting page to check target page or screen, get referring link to retrieve the full branch URL from the link data, and many, many more. You'll find examples and docs for each one in our deep and dynamic linking documentation guide. Found a bug? Head to the FlutterFlow GitHub Issues tab and tag it under Branch Library so we can take a look. Try the Branch Deep Linking Library today, now available for free on the FlutterFlow Marketplace.